Have you ever wondered why, despite working hard and putting in long hours, so many people still struggle financially? It's a story that resonates across the world, from busy professionals to ambitious students. The truth is, effort alone doesn't guarantee financial security. Today, we're going to uncover the real reason behind persistent money problems, and more importantly, reveal a simple habit that can transform your financial future. If you're ready to break free from the cycle of stress and uncertainty, keep watching, because this could be the turning point you've been searching for. Let's face it, most of us have been taught that working harder is the answer to financial success. But if that were true, wouldn't everyone who puts in the effort be wealthy by now? The reality is, hard work is just one piece of the puzzle. Without the right habits and mindset, even the highest earners can find themselves living paycheck to paycheck. So what's really holding people back? It's not a lack of income, it's the way we manage, spend, and think about our money every single day. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people stay poor not because they don't earn enough, but because of everyday money habits that quietly drain their resources. Small, seemingly harmless decisions like impulse purchases, ignoring subscriptions, or failing to plan add up over time. Even with a good salary, these habits can sabotage your progress. The good news: changing just one key habit can make all the difference. Let's dive into the core habit that separates those who struggle from those who thrive financially. But what's the one habit that can change everything? It's called pay yourself first. This simple principle means that before you spend a single dollar on bills, entertainment, or anything else, you set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making your future a priority. By automating this process, you ensure that your wealth grows consistently, no matter what life throws your way. Beauty of pay yourself first is its simplicity and effectiveness. When you treat savings like a non-negotiable expense, you remove the temptation to spend what's left over. Over time, this habit builds a financial cushion, reduces stress, and creates opportunities for investment and growth. It's a strategy used by countless successful people, from entrepreneurs to everyday professionals. And the best part, anyone can start, regardless of income level. Make pay yourself first truly effective. Automation is key. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to a separate savings or investment account every time you get paid. This way, you don't have to rely on willpower or remember to move money manually. Automation turns a good intention into consistent action, ensuring your financial goals are always moving forward, even when life gets busy. Common question is, how much should you pay yourself first? While the ideal amount varies, a good starting point is 10% of your income. If that feels too high, start with what you can, 5%, even 1%, and increase it over time. The key is consistency. As your income grows or expenses decrease, adjust the amount upward. Remember, the habit itself is more important than the number. Small, steady steps lead to big results. Let's look at a real-life scenario. Meet Alex, a young professional earning a decent salary. Like many, Alex used to spend first and save whatever was left. Often that meant nothing. After learning about pay yourself first, Alex set up an automatic transfer of 10% of each paycheck into a savings account. Over a year, Alex built an emergency fund, started investing, and felt more confident about the future. The difference: one simple habit. As Alex's savings grew, so did financial freedom. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills were no longer emergencies. Alex could make choices based on goals, not just survival. This shift didn't require a higher income or drastic sacrifices. It was the result of prioritizing savings and letting the habit do the heavy lifting. Imagine how this could look in your own life. Many people fall into the trap of spending on small, recurring expenses, subscriptions, takeout, or impulse buys that quietly erode their financial stability. By paying yourself first, you create a buffer that protects you from these habits. It's not about cutting out all enjoyment, but about making sure your future comes first. This approach helps you become more intentional with every dollar. Take a closer look at your monthly bills and subscriptions. Are there services you rarely use or could do without? By reviewing these regularly and prioritizing your savings, you'll find extra money to put toward your goals. Remember, every dollar you save today is a step closer to financial independence tomorrow. Don't underestimate the impact of small wins. Each time you pay yourself first, you're building momentum and reinforcing a positive financial identity. Over time, these small actions compound, leading to significant results. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it seems. Success is built on consistent, positive choices. To stay motivated, track your savings and investments. Use a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app to see your growth over time. Watching your progress can be incredibly motivating and helps you stay committed to the habit. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle: nicer car, bigger apartment, more dining out. But if you increase your savings rate along with your income, you'll avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. This ensures that your wealth grows, not just your expenses. Paying yourself first isn't just a financial tactic, it's a mindset shift. It moves you from a scarcity mentality where you're always worried about running out to an abundance mindset where you're building and protecting your future. This confidence spills over into other areas of your life, empowering you to pursue bigger goals. It's easy to think, I'll start saving when I earn more or I have too many expenses right now. But the truth is, there's never a perfect time. Starting small is better than not starting at all. Even a few dollars set aside each month can build the habit and set you on the path to financial security. Consistency is the secret ingredient to lasting financial change. By making saving automatic and non-negotiable, you remove the need for constant decision-making. Over time, this consistency becomes second nature and your financial foundation grows stronger with every paycheck. The benefits of paying yourself first go far beyond just having more money in the bank. You gain peace of mind, flexibility to handle life's surprises, and the freedom to pursue opportunities like travel, education, or starting a business. This habit lays the groundwork for a life of choice, not just survival. Ready to take control of your financial future? Here's your action step. Set up an automatic transfer, no matter how small, from your main account to a savings or investment account today. Make it a recurring event so you don't have to think about it. This one decision can change the trajectory of your life. The most important thing is to stick with it. Don't get discouraged if progress feels slow at first. Every transfer, every saved dollar is a step toward lasting wealth. Over time, you'll look back and realize how much you've accomplished simply by making your future a priority. Remember, financial freedom isn't about luck or secret tricks, it's about building the right habits starting today. By paying yourself first and making it automatic, you set yourself up for a lifetime of security and opportunity. The journey starts with a single step. Make that step today and you'll never be poor again.